In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify token and store ID. This process is important if you're planning to integrate any third-party applications or work with API calls, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's start by finding your store ID. Your store ID is a crucial piece of information that you'll need, and it's actually part of your store's URL. First, log in to your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the URL in your browser's address bar. You'll notice that it's formatted like this: https://your store name, myshopify.com/admin. The section of the URL that says your store name, myshopify.com, is your store ID. Make a note of this, as you'll need it for your API interactions. Now, let's move on to generating your access token for API calls, which involves creating a custom app. The access token is essential for securing your integration and ensuring that your store can communicate with other services effectively. To begin this process, start in your Shopify admin and look for the Settings option, which is generally located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it, then navigate to the Apps and Sales Channels section. This is where you'll manage your app integrations. Next, you'll want to click on Develop Apps. If this is your first time, you might need to click Allow Custom App Development first to proceed. Now that you're in the app development area, click on Create an App. This is the point where you'll give your app a name, something descriptive and relevant like My Custom API Integration. Don't forget to select an app developer email, as this will be important for communication and management purposes. Once everything is set, click on Create App to establish your new application. After creating your app, it's essential to configure the API scopes or permissions for your new app. Click on the Configuration tab to access these settings. Here, you'll find the Admin API Integration section, where you need to click on Configure. This step involves selecting the Admin API access scopes required for your app's operations. Permissions might include read orders, write OS products, or others depending on what your app needs to do. Remember, you must select at least one scope. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click Save to confirm your configurations. Finally, it's time to install the app and get your token. Head over to the API Credentials tab. In the section marked Admin API Access Token, you will click Install App. A prompt will appear for you to confirm this installation, so go ahead and click Install to proceed. Once installed, a section labeled Admin API Access Token will be visible. Click on Reveal Token once to view your token. Be cautious here, as the full token is displayed only a single time. It's critical to copy this token immediately and store it somewhere safe, as you won't be able to view the full token again. By following these steps, you should successfully obtain both your Shopify Store ID and your access token, equipping you to move forward with your API integrations securely. Remember, keeping these credentials safe is crucial to maintaining the security of your store and its data.